pain the Lord has not felt, no sadness He doesn't know. He holds all your tears in His hand. Your cross He carries with you, the heavy load you bear. Give it all to Him. Give it all to Him. Give it all to Him. You do not walk alone. Come to Him, you who labor and are tired. Come to Him, you with sorrows you can't bear. Come into His presence, feel His tender love. Come, His love will carry you. He lifts us from the flood that threatens us. He shelters us from the weapons of our foes. He heals us with His tender touch of mercy. He loves us more